Now let's come to this place. I can see Shandong, Jingsen, and then I can see Hasmo here. Now, can you tell us something brief about this?
They are very cooperative, and end of the day, they are still a good job from Hasmo Tech as well. But I'm very happy, and I'll do anything possible to promote this company forever.
Okay. Now, before you go, when we run advert on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, some people will test you, and then they'll be like, "Oh, you are a fraudster, you are a scammer," and so they don't want to buy. What do you have to tell them?
Okay, anyone who is buying a machine, even not only in Ghana, in Africa, when they contact me, I'll give them assurance and I'll give them a location to come and meet me if possible. And whatever that they will do with Shandong, they say heavy industrial machines, I'm part of it. You can come to my office and do your payment, or whatever information you want to hear from them. When you come to my place, you have meet the boss itself.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I'm so happy to meet you.
I'm happy